Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you want to print your report, you can either click the Print button in the standard toolbar or choose the File and then Print commands from the menu bar. This launches the Print Setup dialog box. In the Printer section at the top of the dialog box, you can select the name of the printer to use. In the Page Range section, you can select the All option button to print all the pages. You can also select Current Page to print the currently displayed page within the preview, or type a page range into the Pages text box next to the Pages option button. Next, enter the number of copies to print into the Number of Copies text box and check the Collate checkbox to print multiple collated copies if desired. When you're ready to print, simply click the Print button that appears at the bottom of the dialog box to print your report.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.